happened to you?
Just trying to dance on tune of song. Aha, aha.
Oh, is it? I thought you were a champagne.
Was I so bad?
Yes, of course. You need the next act by Senior KG Kindle.
Oh wow, so let's join our hands and welcome to our Kindle with their foot tapping performance 7 Habits song.
I am a leader. I follow 7 habits. I am a leader. I follow 7 habits. 7 habits of happy kids. So come let's learn 7 habits. 7 habits of happy kids. So come let's learn 7 habits. Habit 1 says be proactive, so I take charge of my life. Habit 2 says begin with end in mind. I strive for the goal that I have defined. Habit 3 says food fasting, fast, fast, knowing priorities are must. Habit 4 says think win-win, neither I nor you, it's about me. Habit 5 says sit fast to understand, bend to be understood. I listen with all your